you last night in a dream. That's still the closest you and I have been. That's kinda sad, don't you think? I think so. How did I fall in love with someone I don't know? I don't know. I don't know. How am I supposed to ever be with him when he and I don't speak the same language? But we have conversations in my head. How did I fall in love with someone I don't know?
You have a bell? I know, but what is it?
I don't know.
Or the railgun?
I don't know. There's
Yeah.
so much going on, like another step, and I can't sleep 'cause this isn't my bed. And he doesn't even know those things exist. How did I fall in love with someone I don't know? I don't know. I don't know. I could just meet